Hi friends, this video shows how to clear cache and data of Google Play Store. So let me go to settings. Set all settings from top right corner. Go to apps. Go down. Select see all apps. Here you are seeing all apps installed in this device. Go down. Select show system apps. Under system apps, let me go down and locate Google Play Store. Go down. See here you can see Google Play Store. Select it. Go down. See here we can clear cache. Select clear cache. Select OK. Done. Then select clear data. Select OK. Done. So this way we can clear both cache and data of Google Play Store app. Okay, you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.